Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify employee credentials with Workday, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Workday account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Verify Employee Credentials into the search bar. Select the Verify Employee Credentials option from the results. You will be directed to a new screen showing employee details. Input the employee's name or ID in the search field. Click on the employee's profile once it appears in the drop-down. Review the employee's profile for basic information. Next, look for the Credentials section on the employee's profile page. In this section, you will find details about their qualifications and certifications. If applicable, check the status of their credentials. To view additional details, click on each credential listed. This will open a separate window with more information. Verify the validity dates and issuing organization of each credential. To confirm any certifications, you may need to contact the issuing body. Use the contact details usually provided in the credential information. Once you have verified all necessary credentials, document your findings. Return to the employee's profile and update the verification status. Ensure all changes are saved by clicking the Save button. Finally, log out of your Workday account securely when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.